In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MyQ Garage app not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So the first fix here is to completely restart the app. So just go ahead and close the app and then restart. Many glitches clear up with a fresh start. Now the second fix is to check your internet connection. So make sure your phone has a solid connection. So try switching between Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa. Now if one works on one network but not the other, your router settings might be blocking the MyQ connection. Okay, the third fix is to go to your Player App Store, search for MyQ. Now from here, if it says update, go ahead and update the application. So what tends to happen, outdated apps often have bugs, so you want to make sure your app is up to date. Now the next fix here is to clear the app cache. So to do this, click and hold down MyQ, click onto I, and that's going to bring up app info. From here, scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache. Now if you're an iPhone user, you can go ahead and just uninstall the app and then re-download it from your Play Store. Now the next fix here is if you've got any VPNs running in the background, just temporarily disable them and try again. And the last fix I suggest is to reinstall the application, install it, and then restart your mobile device